Good afternoon. We have our 30 test app on show now. This is where we can determine our start point for our flow rate of our machine and also our start point for our width setting. Once we go into the app, we will select mineral fertiliser. Across the top then we have several options. We can search by type, by manufacturer, by name or by closest match. By using the closest match, we would utilise our granulometer and our densimeter to use this function. Fill the granulometer from one end fully to the top, give it a good shake down for 25-30 seconds, and then we can see what we have in each section. Using our densimeter, fill it to the top and use it as a balance scale to work out our density. Once we have done this, we'll input our density, followed by our prill type, and then followed by the results from our granulometer, running left to right, A, B, C, D, E into 30 test. This will then search our database of 1,000 plus fertilisers to find the closest match we can. Once we have done this, we select the machine you have, the working width, the set of vanes. In this example, we have electronic regulation, so we tick the box and then we follow the system through, and this will give us our flow rate, our T factor, and also our spread width or chute setup to allow us to input this into the isobus terminal of the machine. One of the processes we go through on installation of machines in the field is to carry out a tray test. As you can see in this example here, we're testing over 36 metres. So we set our trays out over half the width, evenly spaced, 4.5, 9, 13.5 and 18 metres. We travel over the trays in one direction and then back up the next tram line in the other direction, and then this enables us to check the pattern that we're achieving with the machine. By emptying the first tray into a test tube, second, third and fourth, we can then view the test tubes and see how our pattern lays. When we look at the tubes left to right, the left hand side is our first pass nearest the tractor. As you can see in the example, we are slightly higher in the left hand tube and slightly lower in the right hand tube. So in this case we would simply increase the setting on the chute on the side to allow the fertiliser to spread farther. If we were the other way around, we would decrease the setting on the chute to bring the pattern back towards our first pass. Ultimately, we're looking for a flat and level set of test tubes across the working width.